We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs on Windows 11, making your document creation seamless and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome or Edge. Then go to the Google homepage by typing google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. From the drop-down menu, click on Docs. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once signed in, you'll see the Google Docs dashboard. Here you can start a new document by clicking on the blank page icon labeled blank. If you want to use a template, click on Template Gallery to explore various options like resumes, letters, and more. After opening a document, you'll notice a familiar interface similar to other word processors. At the top, there are options to format text, insert images, and even add tables. You can start typing right away, and your work will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. If you want to share your document with others, click on the Share button at the top right. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and set their permissions to view, comment, or edit. This is great for collaboration. If you need to download your document, go to File, then Download, and choose your preferred format, like Microsoft Word or PDF. Google Docs also offers features like voice typing and add-ons to enhance your productivity. Don't forget to explore these options under the Tools menu. Remember, you can access your documents from any device with internet connectivity, making it super convenient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.